Hello, people of Earth. If you're new, welcome. My name is Yasmin, and if you're not, welcome back. It has been a very long minute, but today I'm going to be showing you guys some sweet potato recipes. The first one is going to be sweet potato fries, and then the second one is going to be a delicious Christmas smelling warm fuzzies in your tummy. I don't know what I'm saying. Clearly, as you can see, it's been a minute. But it's gonna be a sweet potato fry waffle. There's my words. And I hope you guys are excited to try these recipes. The first one is going to be using an air fryer, and then the second one is going to be using a little waffle maker. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's start off with two really ugly sweet potatoes. We're going to peel them because they're ugly, and then you're going to start cutting them. I ended up failing here, as you will see. Yeah, I dropped my phone, but anyway, you want to cut them up into sections and then slice them up into potatoes. Once we've done that with these, I'm going to add all the seasonings: garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, red pepper, chili powder, parsley, and salt and pepper. And then I just put it all in a bowl, shook it up, and then I put some parchment paper on my air frying baking sheet. Then I put half of that mixture onto the sheet, and then I set the air fryer to 380 degrees for 12 minutes. I will write all the instructions down below in the description. Do not fret. So these are the first batch of fries. Here they go. And the second batch of fries. They came out so crispy and delicious. You guys need to try. Well, it didn't record me making the batter, but this is it. It's really chunky. It smells like Christmas. This is the little waffle maker I'm going to be using. That's the brand. And I'm just going to use some cooking spray. If you have butter one, that might be better. But yeah, so let's get started. Just going to get this little spray. So for the pouring of the batter, you want to make sure you center it in the middle because you don't want it to be on one of the sides and then spill over. You also, depending on how much batter you put, will also influence how thick and chunky the waffles are. So keep that in mind. You don't want it to be too heavy, and you also don't want it to spill over. And let's let it do its thing. Guys, look at it. It grew so much. It's so beautiful. Obviously, it still needs to cook a little bit more, but you know. So these are the waffles. As you can see, if you use less batter, they're a little bit smaller, and if you use more batter, they're a little bit bigger. Here's for comparison. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.